Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Prestashop store in 2025, step by step. Whether you want to update your store to the latest version or migrate your data seamlessly, I've got you covered. By the end of this guide, your store will be up to date and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the one-click upgrade, the easiest way to update your store. Access your admin panel. Start by logging into your store's admin page. Just go to your domain and add /admin, then enter your credentials to get in. Navigate to Modules. Once you're in, head over to Modules arrow Module Manager. Install the Upgrade Assistant. In the search bar, type one-click upgrade. If it's not installed yet, click Install. This module will guide you through the update process. Initiate the upgrade click. Configure on the module, select Update Your Store, and then hit Get Started. Follow the guided steps carefully. The module will handle most of the work, including backing up your store before updating. Now, if you're moving your store between different versions or servers, you'll want to use Migrate Pro. This tool ensures your data is transferred safely. Get the Migrate Pro module. Visit the Prestashop Modules Marketplace, search for Migrate Pro, and purchase or install it. Connect your stores, open the module, and link your existing store to the target store. Transfer your data. Choose the data you want to migrate, then start the migration. This can take some time depending on the size of your store, so be patient. Verify everything. After the migration finishes, go through your upgraded store carefully. Make sure products, orders, and customer data are all intact. And that's it. With these two modules, updating or migrating your Prestashop store becomes smooth and stress-free. So there you have it, a complete guide to upgrading your Prestashop store in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want a guide on optimizing your store after an upgrade. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.